it, Jacob?
Scale. No.
I don't like the noises it's making, but look at this. That is beautiful. Whoa! Whoa! That's a manta ray. Oh! This is awesome. Do you want to go down and just flap your wings?
I can't. Can you do it?
Nathan, can you do it? I can't.
Clap your hands. Please. Clapping my hands.
Nathan's up there giving the signal to come down.
And we're coming back in. I think it's our time. Yeah, we're gonna get dunked though.
Oh, we're going in some.